I'm Prajval from class 9.
I'm Balaji from class 9.
I'm Lakshmishree from class 7.
And we're from Excel Public School. The World Health Organization estimates that every year around 1.35 million people die due to traffic accidents and 20 to 50 million people are injured. Almost 17% of large truck or car crash fatalities happens due to the driver being distracted. One of the main reasons for accidents is due to driver inattention while driving. Most automated manufacturers offer driver assistance systems that detect drowsiness of the driver. However, it is not just drowsiness that causes accidents, but also distractions which take away the driver's attention from the road.
The distraction includes activities such as texting on the mobile, talking on the phone, talking to the passenger, drinking water, and reaching a hand behind the car. Until now, driver's assistance system have been unable to detect these activities. We can see that the most of the accident happen due to the human negligence and distraction. Hence, an artificial intelligence driver monitoring system will detect the distraction and monitor the driver using image processing that can save others and the driver's life.
The main goal of this project is to monitor the driver's activities and alert the driver. We hope that this system will reduce the number of road accidents and increase road safety.
In our project, we have used the Python programming language, TensorFlow and OpenCV for machine learning and image processing. Our current working prototype uses Raspberry Pi and a camera module to detect if the driver is distracted.
The driver will receive a notification that differs depending on the type of distraction. For example, if the driver is using a phone, the camera detects the action and automated voice tells the driver to stop using the device. So, when the person does any activity which distracts the driver, the camera will detect and alert the person using voice output, which is connected to the Raspberry Pi, audio and video output. We have collected the images from our mobile phone which illustrate different activities the driver does inside the car.
Alert drinking water. Alert talking on phone. Alert texting on phone. Alert reaching hand behind.
We have trained and tested it to get the output using Google Collaboratory. Plus, we started brainstorming on the problem and got some ideas on how to build an AI driver monitoring system.
Then we started designing and building a prototype car using cardboard. We took a PVC pipe to make a steering wheel and discussed where to place the camera module and Raspberry Pi in the model.
Then we decided to place the camera to the left hand side of the driver so that the camera can detect the driver's activities. We thought of placing the Raspberry Pi with the all connection inside the car.